Every feeling you've ever had, from joy to anger to fear, starts in the same place, your brain. But what happens between that first spark and the emotion you actually feel? It starts with a trigger, an event, a thought, or a memory. Someone cuts you off in traffic? You remember a happy childhood moment? That tiny spark lights the fire of emotion. Your brain reacts in milliseconds. The amygdala, your emotional alarm system, fires first, fast and instinctive. Then your prefrontal cortex steps in, slower but smarter, helping you decide how to act. Signals shoot through your body. Heart races. Breathing quickens. Muscles tense. This is why fear makes you jittery, and excitement makes your chest feel alive. Your body speaks the language of emotion. Then comes awareness. You label it joy, fear, and anger. Your brain blends the trigger, the body's signals, and memories to create the conscious feeling you recognize as you. Every surge of emotion is a dance between brain, body, and mind. It's not random. It's evolution at work. Understanding this hidden life of emotions gives you the power to respond rather than just react. Want to explore more secrets of your mind? Subscribe and join the journey inside your brain.